We got a frisky bunch here in Bakersfield.
Don't bother me, I'm busy.
Little New York strip steak.
New York strip.
Man,
yeah.
and how far did you drive today?
2.5 hours.
He drove 2.5 hours to visit us on the Griddle More Tour.
And that's because I didn't want to go to Colorado to see you, see.
Yeah, I'm trading in my camp chef for a new Blackstone.
I love the Blackstone. I came here to get more recipes, to try new things for friends and family.
Victoria is our local brand ambassador this weekend. Came out to help us in all 3 stops in Bakersfield. She's doing a phenomenal job. We have never seen it more clean. Putting out the Blackstone vibe. All right, so we will have, I guess, Blackstone Griddle with a 36 here today on high heat. Where's the beef? Here it is. Start out, we have ground beef. So this is 70-30 ground beef. I like to use 70-30, a lot of grease, because you want a little bit of grease dripping into that bun. It just makes it better. I mean, you could do 90-10 if you want to keep it lean, but 70-30 just really works out well, and it's going to give this flavor, again, very comparable to a traditional Philly cheesesteak. It's actually a mixture of olive and canola oil, so a little bit of oil down on the griddle. Contrary to what a lot of people online will tell you, the griddle doesn't care what kind of oil you want to use. Some people use avocado, some people use sunflower seed, canola oil, vegetable. It's all good. I mean, we use it all. 18 pounds of ground beef. I like garlic and everything, so a little bit of granulated garlic for sure. I just love it. A little bit of black pepper. I mean, I'll put a little salt on there, but if you don't want to use salt, if you're watching your sodium, you don't need to use salt. I'll just put, because there's a ton of beef, I'll just put a little bit of sea salt on there. All right, let's chop this up and make it look a little more palatable here. The new spatulas are really good for chopping. You know, I like the older ones because I have really weak wrists and arthritis. So these are nice. You can use them for hours. But these new heavy-duty ones are great if you just want to chop stuff apart. They're so strong, and they have that beveled edge on there. Watch out for flying beef. I usually have somebody that complains. They're like, I can't believe you're throwing all... If anybody really wants that grease, feel free to come and just take it and dump it in your pocket. So Jeremy just asked me if the surround table fits with the newer rear grease. You know, the rear grease griddles came out 2.5 years ago or so. And the answer is not original, but yes. So we have 2 versions. There's the surround table that came out, and we could use it on the old front grease. So, I don't know, 3 or 6 months ago or so, they came out with another version which fits this one as well. 30, do you have some grease, don't you? How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. We're just showing off Blackstone Griddles here today.
Huge smokers.
Started off with some New York strips. We're doing some Philadelphia cheesesteaks now. We got 18 pounds of ground beef down here, so we're cooking it down, and then we'll get going. Philadelphia cheesesteaks traditionally usually just have onion. Sometimes people will put green pepper in there as well, or mushroom, and that's fine. I like it. But most of the traditional is it's onion only. So I'm just going to throw in some diced onion today that we picked up here at Walmart. He 18 pounds of beef and a half-pound onions. They were moved emotionally, I could tell.
Actually, it's a little bit harder.
The onions and the grease, everything's looking good. I'm literally just going to shove this over here in a pile. I'll turn these burners down to super low. I'll actually turn this burner off altogether. Thank you. So secret for sure is a good roll with these. My favorite's always going to be Sam's Club. If you do have a Sam's in the area, Sam's has a white hoagie roll that is phenomenal. But these are really good. But let's say the Sam's is a number 10. You know, these are a good 8. They're a good roll. So the secret is a good bakery fresh roll. You don't want to use like one of those egg-enriched hot dog buns or anything like that. So a good bakery roll. So we're just going to toast these up again. You know, the bun will just soak up a little bit of that oil. And then we'll kind of roll them a little bit. And they'll be nice and soft. Pull them off. Then we'll get the cheese in here and serve these puppies up. We're just kind of getting those warmed up, getting a little oil in there. We'll pull them off, and then we'll just go crazy assembly line here at the end when we're done. We use cheese whiz for this. We're gonna use American cheese, pretty much the same thing. And so we're just gonna throw some American cheese on there. We'll put the cheese down, put the meat on top of it, and build it up. Secret is you just want that cheese kind of running throughout the meat. So American will work just fine, and it'll taste just about the same. Let's do that, and we'll literally just layer a little bit of beef on top, because we are going to plate these puppies up. How you folks doing today? How's the Wolverines?
Okay.
Yeah?
My son got one for Christmas. I'm so jealous.
Oh man, does he ever cook for you?
No, he lives in Austin.
Oh, okay.
I did a lot of
What's that? Yeah.
it took me like maybe 2 years.
So that cheese, as you can see, just melting right into that meat. I'm just going to literally flip this.
No, maybe 10 years ago, not now. When I first got mine, Blackstone, I was doing this. I got it from Todd's shop there. Sausage. And I was doing that, and I had that new sausage.
Gonna put that right on top of there. Bam. Secret is on this, again, if you go to like a really good cheesesteak shop out east, is a lot of meat in there. Don't go skimpy. I mean, you want a lot of meat on there. So let's just get these ready here. I mean, it should be a substantial sandwich. Jose, you sure can hold a sandwich. Go ahead, you're good.
That's the next one.
Oh yeah, here we go. Sorry, I was staring at that. I was staring at that cheesesteak that somebody made.
Yeah, come on up.
Traditional would be thinly shaved ribeye or sirloin, but 70-30 works phenomenal. Obviously, it's going to be 90% cheaper. And these are just fun to make. You can make them at a party, make them at home. You can make them as little slider versions. Sam's and Walmart both sell little slider hoagie rolls. So it's fun to do like a Philly CheatSteak slider.
Delicious. I love it.
How is it? Does it
Really
pass the
good.
approval
Really good.
of a Dodger fan? Good.
Good, good.
Thank you. Good. I don't want to get hit by that, so I'm just trying to stay on your good side.
We might need to do this tonight when Papa comes over for dinner.
Yeah.
Good enough for Papa?
Like you said, the bun.
Yeah, the bun's the secret. You don't want to. Yeah, you want to have a good bakery fresh bun, so you can get the oil from the meat and the cheese melted in there. Oh, you have the 28 Pro? I love it. Nice.
We could move up and just go down a little bit and be a Sam's Club.
Yes, a Sam's Club griddler. All right, folks, got one more coming up here. Oh, my goodness. Trying to get a picture of that one, Jose. Look at that.
No, I do not.
Woo!
Take a look at that.